Benny the Bunny. Today I saw something beautiful in the meadow. Butterflies. They fly softly through the air and their wings are full of color. Let's watch the butterflies together. Look! A yellow butterfly! Its wings are bright like the warm sunshine. The butterfly gently flutters from flower to flower. Hello, little butterfly. Now I see a blue butterfly, blue like the sky above us. It slowly floats through the air and lands on a flower. Butterflies love flowers. Look at this one, a pink butterfly. Its wings are soft and pretty like a flower petal. The butterfly flutters in the warm breeze. Here comes an orange butterfly. Orange like a sunset, it gently dances through the meadow with light fluttering wings. Look closely! A purple butterfly! Its wings shine softly in the sunlight. Butterflies move so gently. Sometimes butterflies stop flying. They rest quietly on beautiful flowers. Their wings slowly open and close. The warm sun shines over the meadow. Butterflies love sunshine. They flutter softly through the bright sky. Thank you for watching the butterflies with me today. They were so colorful and beautiful. Goodbye, little friends. See you next time.